Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm glad to introduce our newest products. On my right hand is a crepe and the pancake makers. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's cooking pan area will be 25.5 inches. And the overall height will be 14 inches. And as you can see, they have connectors right here for the powers. And these switchers, you can turn on, squeeze it. Okay, this unit's outside looks. And let's take a look at the inner side, the burner space. This is the inner side. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Total 8 burners inner side. And you can see the switchers right here, starting from here with the PAPs connections. And this is how it looks like inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.